समंदर के सिरे, हम है मंजिले, हम है रास्ता, जिंदगी से हम तो है बड़े, we're animal planet.
சுதந்திரமானவர்கள் நாங்கள், வாழ்க்கை வளர்த்திருந்தவர்கள் আমরা, অতুলনীয় সবারিতায় রয়েছে যার নাম
India, India.
Hi friends, I think you are quite well in this corona. So today I am going to represent you a paragraph about the world of animals and birds. So let's start. First of all, I want to say a very merry happy new year 2022. So let's start. The world of animals and birds. This is a world of animals and different species of birds where we live. There are eagles, vultures, striped hyenas, lions, tigers, leopards, and many animals that rule over the world from million years. Even a smallest insect like mosquitoes and other dangerous insects also rules the world. The migratory birds like crane, flamingo flies from an area to a location where they can get food, get shelter, etc. Not only birds migrate, but sometimes animals also migrate in search of food, shelter, etc. There are endangered animals that we can rarely see around the world. The polar bears, the Sumantran tigers, the Mexican walking fish are becoming extinct day by day. The two-horned rhinoceros are said to be extinct, but scientists say that the two-horned rhinoceros are still alive without becoming extinct. Where are they then? The endangered is the first stage of becoming extinct. The whales plays an important role in the ecosystem. One whale can take almost 15 lakh CO2 out from the world. That is huge. But now, no need of saving whales because they are now extinct and found no more on this world. No need of saving because global warming is going that large. The piranha are said to be most ferocious and most dangerous animal in the world. The birds and animals are like an previous alarm of disasters. The world is quite wonderful and beautiful. Animals and birds also. The wilderness is a area where all animals live. Real freedom lies in wilderness, not in civilization. By Charles Leydenberg. Thank you.